Hiking in London Club in Calanques of Marseille. Route through the spectacular Calanques of Marseille. It is approximately 13 kilometers, mostly easy, although it has a slightly more complicated section. We start our route in the town of Cassis, a very particular small fishing village, where we will have dinner before returning to Marseille. At the beginning, we will pass by le Plage de la Grande Mer, le Port de Cassis, and le Plage du Bestouan before entering and starting our hike. In this section, the ascents and descents are quite easy without difficulty. Our first stop will be at le Calanque de Port Pin. It is a small cove where we can enjoy its crystalline waters. In this area, we will see amateur climbers. We will go back a little on our path, and once again, we have to go up, and to go back down to le Calanque de Port Pin. This climb is a bit more difficult, but the views from the top are worth the effort. Once again, we will be surprised by the color of the water in these coves. We are taking our way back when we pass through the Calanque de Port-Miou. From here we will also see the yachting club, the Calanque de Cassis. In Cassis we have free time to walk around the small town before returning to Marseille.